Now, how does it work if you want to mute your iPhone messages? Let's get started. If you are new on the Foxtecc channel, go ahead and subscribe right now, and you are not going to miss any future tutorials. But essentially, there are more levels to this. If you want to just mute some people or some chats, you can open up the Messages application, locate the message thread, and swipe left on it for more options to appear. And you're going to see that there is the mute button like the bell with a strike through on a purple background. And you can tap it and see that the chat is now muted. The notifications will not be delivered, but when you go to the Messages app, you'll see if you have new message from them. You can also see a little bell icon next to the chat to indicate that it is in fact muted. But if you want a little bit more like bigger approach or the next level to this, just go to the settings and find a notification section. It is part of the main page for the settings. So check out notifications, and from the list below, get to the Messages app. And in here, you get to customize very nicely what's really going on with your notifications. Like you can disable the sounds, right? So you can choose the sound to be none, which means that obviously it applies to all messages, but it just means that you will get the notifications delivered, but they will not play any sound, right? So you can do that, for example, or you can decide that you will not get them as banners, or you won't find them in the notification center or lock screen, right? So more options. You need to know what exactly you're going after, but it can be found right here. So I would really appreciate if you let me know in the comments below if you manage to in fact do this properly on your device. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future videos.